There is so much about this new feature and we can't cover everything, but we are going to cover some fundamentals here. So this feature, first of all, help us so much, especially when we want to do horizontal scrolling. Before this feature, if we wanted to do horizontal scrolling, we had to fake it with creating two artboards and having a drag interaction between them, and it was awful. All right. But right now, it's just a click away. So here on this tasks artboard, we have those cards laying over there. And if we just click on them enough, we can see that they are part of a group named favorites. But I want some more cards here since I want to do some horizontal scrolling. So with these two guys being selected, I'm going even further and I'm going to select only one of them. For example, let's say this one, and then holding shift, select the other one. Right now, those two guys are selected. I'm holding down the option key and then create a new one. The same spacing, then option key and create another one. Right now, you can see that those two guys are outside of my artboard, and if I deselect this group, I cannot see them, but they are a part of this artboard. As you can see, this group is within the artboard, so whatever it is within the favorite group is on the artboard, but right now we can't just see them. So having the favorite group selected, it's this group right now. I have horizontal scrolling in my measurement properties, so I'm going to, it's right here. I'm going to select it, and as you can see, we can define an area. For example, let's do it here, define this area, and let's get a preview. Right now, if I come down here and I keep scrolling, you can see that we can see the rest of the design here. Awesome. So we can do even vertical scrolling. I'm going to come up here to attachments, sense artboard, and then we have this chat here. I can know that this text is over here because I can select it, and you can see the line over there, and also it's kind of visible under this big rectangle with the background blur. So in order to see the rest of the design, I can select this group, whole content group, and then we do this one, which is vertical scrolling. We define that area, so let's get a preview, and as you can see, we can scroll to that special area to see the rest of the design. Of course, there is way more into this feature. It's very awesome and it helps us during our design. We can create scrollable pop-up menus, scrollable boxes, and other stuff with it. But this was the very basic concept about this awesome feature that has been added to Adobe Xd. And if you want to see a live result of this, I'm going to select my artboard tool, and right here, when I'm scrolling down, I can see the rest of the design. And this feature was worked with scrolling option in Adobe Xd. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more content.